Trading recap of this week, I guess. I didn't record for the past 2 days, but let's get straight into it. So that's from yesterday, but let's just go day by day. So let's go back here. So what day was this? Monday. We see price rally up. It took 4 hours. See what's happening. Break a structure to the downside. I also changed to just the regular gold because not futures gold because it's delayed because I'm not really trading anything. I'm just trading simmed basically. So you see price break structure to the downside and also break structure to the upside for market open. So we're already seeing price kind of break to the upside already. So I'm looking for a pullback, I think. So our areas of interest are realistically just up here. Is really the only area of interest I see. Nothing really farther up. And there are a few areas down here. Like right here. Right here. But yeah, so I mean we see price tap into this area and goes lower. I'm not really too sure what we're gonna see here. Let's see this play out. You might just see a lower high here. And yeah, we see a closure below this area. I might just enter here. This does not look bad. Down to this area of interest I had marked already. This is not a bad trade. Because it's either here price reacts off of or here. And price kind of already reacted off of here. So let's enter for the sell. Price slows down and TP gets hit. The reason I changed my Fibonacci, I changed it to this. It's called the OTE, optimal trade entry. Someone in one of my videos commented I should look into it, and it's actually pretty good. It's basically my 75% zone, but just a more defined zone as to where price usually bounces off of. And I found that whenever price does bounce off of this area, it's highly likely that it's going to push down. So as our trade for today, I mean, we could also look for a trade to the upside now. The fact that price got down here. Do we see a close above this zone? Move this real quick. Look above this zone. Could look for buys. But I honestly don't think I'm going to look for buys. Because of just... Yeah, that whole idea is botched. So we're probably going to just see price retrace. Oh, tracing here. Now I'm going to look for Marcel's. Now I'd be looking for price to get to this area. If we see a strong bounce off of this, that would be really good. Strong close. Oh, yeah. I'm entering here. I wouldn't have waited that long. I would enter right here. This would be a good trade for me. It's the same confluence. Price just... Oh, okay. So price ends up pushing up. Probably gonna... Oh, there's so much liquidity up here. I forgot. We're probably gonna seek this liquidity. or not even. I don't know. Might just flush down. Very interesting. Very interesting what we're seeing Price do. I'm still very confident we're going to see Price get down to here. But as for why Price did all of this, I am not sure. You might even see another Fibonacci from here. You even see another one you could have entered off of from here, even after getting stopped out from that one. And Price ends up hitting TPs. Yeah, that would have been a better trade instead of just getting, stuck like I did. Just adapting, saying, okay, Price is abiding by this one now. Enter off of that. That would have been a good trade. Instead, I got stuck. Saw that I got stopped out and just didn't want to re-enter. Pretty good trades though. With Fibonacci's, I'm finding myself to be relying on Fibonacci's a lot more for my continuations. Literally, I kind of think that's my only continuation setup. Just supply and demand, Fibonacci. Um, the liquidity sweeps are really more for reversals. You don't really see them for continuations that much, but yeah. Someone's been telling me to like try and get into order flow and stuff. I don't think it's for me. I don't really think that I would benefit from order flow. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna do research on it, of course, but I feel like it would just add um, so much more complexity to my trading that doesn't need. As long as I just stick to my setups and don't get scared to enter, I feel like I'm still gonna be profitable. So, um, yeah, let's go to the next day. So, um, I don't think you could do go to, so I'm gonna have to do this. Oh, we gotta go far. Okay. Yeah, we pushed down strongly. Okay, let's go back. Okay, it won't let me go back. Okay. All right. Let's just not go back, I guess. Probably, hold on. So right now, I would be looking for sells. Obviously, we break major market structure to the downside. So now I'm no longer looking for buys or anything. I never was really looking for buys. I guess I was to this area, but considering price was so trending so strongly to the downside, I shouldn't have even been considering that. Um. So yeah. So we see price push down strongly, break major market structure. As I said before. This structure has been broken. So now we're looking to play a pullback, honestly. I'm not looking for a price to continue pushing down. I'm looking for a pullback. Then I can enter off of probably a stronger pullback than this, but we create a lot of liquidity at this area right here. A lot of resting liquidity above it. So I see price do something. However, on the lower time frame, we do see price break structure right here. And we just see a price trend up. No liquidity was really built in this leg. So we might just see price flush down, honestly. It's a very high probability we might just see price flush down. Yeah, yeah. This would be my entry right here. I had it on 5 minute. I would enter right here. TP probably down to this area. I wouldn't really have my TP at negative 27 or anything. Not gonna get scared by these little fake outs. Price pushing back up. Not gonna get scared by that. Okay. So yeah, we do end up seeing price get to negative 27 and then push up. I could have got a more precise entry right here. Some person instantly reject off of that, but maybe this was too large of a TP. I'm not too sure, honestly. We might see price sweep liquidity now. See how it reacts. Oh yeah, we're continuing up. Now we're gonna. It's very interesting. Yeah, I did say I wasn't gonna have my TP that far, but maybe I should have had it at the negative 27. And if I got a more precise entry, like right here, that would have actually been a good trade. I have a tendency to shoot for the moon and just hope for the best. That's my fault. Okay. Yeah. Let's just go forward. So we see price rally down once again. So I'm not looking for buys at all. So you break the structure right here. So now I'm looking for a pullback. I had this zone marked from later on. I could just delete this for now. Areas of interest I really have only are probably this demand zone right here or supply zone, broke structure, and nothing really to the downside. That's really it. So we'll see what price does here. Okay, oh wow, what day is this? Wednesday the 24th. Oh, that's interesting. There's really no news at this time. Price is just flushing down. This is so interesting. This is extremely volatile. Maybe there's a 4-hour something somewhere. No. Okay. We do have this area supply right here. This was the last point before. I doubt we're gonna see anything on the Fibonacci. Yeah, price kind of looks above it. Um, let's see what we see on the lower time frame actually. In the 1 minute. Yeah, we don't really see anything. Okay. This is something right here. Now I'm expecting price to push up some more, so I'm expecting a pullback to a continuation on this trend for a pullback on the as a pullback on this. So a Fibonacci here, fulfilling this basically. So my TP would be down here. Yeah, and let's just see another. Yeah, we have a ton of confirmation. I kind of entered late now, but um, is this outside of the session? Yeah, this is way outside of session. I might just leave this trade, just let it play out, or just exit. I don't know. And now we see this happen. This is extremely out of the session, but I don't want to see how this plays out. Okay, this doesn't really matter to me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Why can't I go back? I need to go back before, so Thursday the 25th. Thursday the 25th. Thursday the 25th. Okay. All right. This Fibonacci was really contingent on the price pushing up off of this area. Considering we didn't see that happen, I'm just not gonna just disregarded that completely. We have a ton of a lot of sell side liquidity right here. Ton. Not really expecting price to sweep it yet. I don't think I traded this day. Yeah, this was the day all this news came out. Didn't trade. We do just this is why I didn't trade this day. Yeah, let's just go to Friday. You could have gotten trades off this day, but you trade a day like this any other day, and you might just get completely just wiped by the markets. Okay, make the same mistake. 1, 2, 3. All right, here we are. Price rallied up quite a bit, honestly. See price rally up all this way. Points of interest. I guess this area where price broke structure before, we're saying price. We might see price bounce off of the same area. We also have this unmitigated supply zone right here. Or yeah, hasn't been touched yet. And we also have this area right here. It's a man zone that broke structure to the upside. So let's see what price does. We could refine this even more, I think. I'll leave it like this, but we could also refine it to just right down here if we want to get a more precise entry. All right. Probably looking for a pullback in that case. Since there's the same price pullback from here. Oh, we even saw a pullback on the lower time frame. To play it to down here, that would have been smart. And we're probably gonna see that. Okay. I'm gonna enter here. TP to probably just negative 61.8. Okay. All right. Didn't think it was on 5 minute. Okay. We see Price hit TP. Now Price is up here. I'm not really too sure what I'm expecting Price to do. Might just see Price bounce back or yeah, we're done. I remember Price just consolidated after this, so yeah. That's basically it for this week. A pretty good trading week. We had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could have been 6 with this one, but we won 1. Should have won 2. We should have had another one here where we re-entered. So, but we won 1, 2, 3 trades. I think just 3. We didn't trade on this day. 3 and we lost 1, 2. So 60%. It really should have been 1, 2, 1, 3. Should have had my TP lower. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe if we even look, I doubt it. I highly doubt Price got to 61.8 from that. Wow, it did. And then it went straight to negative 27. I didn't even peep that. That's crazy. This whole thing, Price got dropped straight to the negative 61.8. Instantly rejected. Could have entered right here off of this strong rejection. Huge confirmation. Stop loss right below that. TP negative 27. Negative 61.8. I don't know. Probably for huge trades like this, I wouldn't shoot for negative 61.8. If it's more of a short-term trade, I would, but I don't think I don't know. Considering we're still in a downtrend. So if I abided by my rules and saw trades that I should have saw, should be 1, 2, 1, and I shouldn't have had my TP all the way down here if I knew that Price was gonna just get here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and probably 7 if I scale down some more. But we ended up 3 and 2. Not bad whatsoever. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Really good week. Fibonacci was heavy, and I feel like it's gonna be like that for a while. The market structure, fibs, learning and knowing where Price is fundamentally going. You know, so yeah, that's basically it for this week. So, until next week.